Hello friends, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a table in Microsoft SQL Server database using a script. If you remember, in our previous tutorial, we have learned how to create a table using the graphical user interface. And as you know, to create any object in Microsoft SQL Server, you need to open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Here you can see we have created a table using the GUI called employee details. So as you know, we cannot create a particular object with the same name in the same database, so we need to delete this particular table. So what I'll do is I'll just right click it and click on delete. It will ask me a confirmation whether I would like to delete this table. I say okay, and table is gone. Now we are going to create the same table using our script. Okay, to create a table you have to use the query builder. Okay, you do not see the query builder at the moment. Okay, to open up the query builder there are two methods. The first one is you just right click onto the database where you would like to write the query and select the new query, or there is another option. There is a button called new query on top of your ribbon. So I will select this database, right click on it and say new query. Okay, so you have to ensure that when you click the new query that you are at the right database, and our database name is employee. So you have to ensure your database name appears over here before you write the query. Now let's start building the query. To create a table you need to use the create table query. So I'm going to start writing this query. Say create table. Table name is employee details, and open the left parenthesis. Now start giving the names to your columns. The first column name, if you remember, is employee ID, and which is a type of integer. Second column is you have to separate the columns by comma, and then start writing the second column, which is employee name, and the size is varchar 100, and another column say employee date of birth, which is a type small date time, and close the parenthesis. This is the way you can write the create table query, but before execution you have to ensure this syntax of the query are correct. So check this. You have to click this parse button. The moment you click, it will prompt you in case you have any errors or a syntax error in your query. Since there is no error in this query, this query is now ready to execute. The moment you execute this query, in the query result pane you will see the command completed successfully. It means your table is now created. To check the same, you just right click onto the table and say refresh, and here we go. We have our table here with the same column IDs as we have defined over here. This is the way we write the queries in SQL Server, and this is the way you can create a table in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio using the script. So this is all for this video tutorial. We will learn much more in upcoming videos. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel for many more interesting videos on this subject. Thank you very much and have a nice day.